guys, today I will be doing a luxury handbag unboxing. So if you want to see the latest luxury handbag that I bought, then keep on watching. Okay, so here we are. So I've had this handbag company on my radar for a few years now. I've been really admiring their work, what the company stands for, and I am so excited to reveal to you the bag that I bought just recently. So the company that I bought from is Angela Roi, and it's a vegan luxury handbag company. I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about the brand before I get into the reveal, just so that you know what the brand stands for, what they're about, and why I decided to buy this bag. So I'm on the Angela Roi website, and I went to the About page just so I could give you a brief rundown of what this brand is about. And it says, for too long fashion has demanded sacrifice of comfort for style, of money for quality, and of morals for materials. Angela Roi believes personal style should not come at the expense of personal values. We're creating accessories with ethical materials at an approachable price, helping women achieve a timeless look that reflects who they are and what they care about. Uncompromising elegance. So 100% this brand is a vegan leather brand, meaning they don't use any kind of animal products to make their bags. They stand by affordable pricing when it comes to luxury handbags, and they want to provide women and men with comfortable, elegant, classic styles that hold up to the test of time. So without further ado, I want to show you guys the bag I got and why I got it. So let's get into it. So I have the box here. This is a thorough review of the unboxing, so I'm going to be completely honest about everything. When I got this box, you know, it wasn't the best taped. It was taped this way and this way, you know, with 3 pieces of tape on it, which, you know, is fine. It's just that I just noticed that, you know, the way it was taped was a little bit flimsy, and I was able to rip it open very easily, meaning that if it was on my porch, that someone would have also been able to have ripped it open easily and saw what I bought, which I think is what happened actually. I got it and I was like, why is it kind of like open a little bit? But anyway, that's neither here nor there. So let's get into what I bought. So I bought this bag. It comes in a really nice dust bag that has Angela Roi on the front, as you can see, like so. And what I decided to buy, which I will explain why I bought this, but it's a huge coincidence, but I bought, of course, the Cherie tote bag. And the color that I got this bag in is Dusty Rose. So this is the bag I got. Beautiful bag. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. The color is like a taupey purple color, which is right up my alley. I love taupes and I love purples. So this color, I've had my eye on this color in many different Angela Roi styles for quite some time. And I will say that I did originally want to get the Eloise bag in this color, but she was having her sample sale going on. It's still going on now. There are a couple things left from the sample sale, but this was one of the bags in the sample sale. So I did get a good discount on this bag. I also wanted to say it comes with this card that I have not yet opened. So it's looks like it's an eco-friendly card. It looks like it's recycled paper. It says Angela Roi, New York. I like that, Angela Roi, New York. So this is a company from New York. And it's a welcome card. It says, welcome to the rebellion. And then it says, there is no one kind of Angela Roi woman. And it just goes on to have a really nice message on the back. I'm not going to read the whole message for time purposes, but I really do enjoy her statement and what the company stands for. So just wanted to share that with you as well. This bag is a tote bag. The funny coincidence is that it's a share bag, and you know, my name is Cherie, so I just thought that was really huge coincidence. This wouldn't have been my first style of bag to buy, but the style and the color are beautiful together. So I'm extremely happy with my decision on buying this bag. If you would like pricing, comment below and I can get that to you as well. Because it was a discounted bag, I did get it a little less, for a little less than what it retails for. And, oh, the color is actually, it's the Shared Tote Signet, and it's actually, the color is Ash Rose. So it's not Dusty Rose, it's actually called Ash Rose. And this is a different kind of unboxing because I actually already used this bag once and I love the experience. So as a result, there are some things in this bag. So I'm just gonna pull them out. I'm just gonna show you what does fit in this bag. So this is kind of like a what's in my bag slash unboxing. I'm gonna do 2-in-1. So I have, let's see, Nordstrom's anniversary sales coming up, guys. So I got that, got this in the mail, wanted to bring it with me. I was down in South Jersey visiting family, and this was some mail, so I just wanted to bring this with me to see what was on sale coming out this summer from Nordstrom. I also have Trader Joe's organic watermelon jerky. It's just dried watermelon. If you guys haven't tried this, I highly suggest picking this up at Trader Joe's, your local Trader Joe's, if they have it at your Trader Joe's. This tastes amazing. It tastes like Jolly Rancher candy, but it is legit organic watermelon, and that's it. It even still has the seeds in it. That's how organic it is. Highly recommend this for a snack if you're, you know, on the go and you just need something a little bit sweet, but you don't want to eat candy. Try this. It's phenomenal. Next thing in this bag is, this is a little pouch that was handmade from Peru. My new stepmother's mother gave me this pouch, and I was, you know, very excited to receive it, and I look forward to using it. So I just thought that was very sweet of her. I was meeting her for the first time, and she gave this to me as a memento from Peru. So thank you so much. And I look forward to using this as like a little coin purse, or, you know, put little coins and credit card, whatever in it. I look forward to using it. So thank you for that. Napkin, of course. We have 2 wallets. So I actually have my Alexander Wang wallet in here. There's not much in it at the moment because I am using a work bag. I do not bring this bag to work just because it doesn't meet the rules and regulations of the company. We do have to wear clear bags at work, so this bag, you know, I leave it now. I just use it to travel or go places, but when I was traveling, I was using my Alexander Wang wristlet wallet. I still love this wallet. I got this at least 6 years ago. Still going strong. Little bit of wear and tear, but nonetheless, I love it. It still feels amazing and luxurious. I have a wallet that I picked up from Amazon. This is a little beat up and has been through the ringer. There are some things that have gone on with this wallet. Keychain's now broken, a little dirty looking. Still has home keys and whatnot, but Yep, I have this for when I go home. My home keys are on here so I can open the door when I need to. That's in here. I also can fit my iPad perfectly. So here's my iPad. This fits perfectly in this bag. Car insurance stuff. And there's a book. This book is Buy, Rehab, Rent, Refinance, and Repeat. The BRRR Rental Property Investment Strategy. So this is, if you're into real estate, this is a strategy that they use to buy properties and do it all over again. So it's a really nice system when it comes to, you know, investing in real estate. I've been studying real estate for many years. If you guys are into real estate, comment below and we can do some real estate videos as well. Why not, right? But yeah, I've been studying real estate forever, from at least over 11 years now. And this is just a book by a guy. I watch his podcast. I listen to his podcasts all the time. So I figure why not buy the book? So this is by David Green, and this is in here too. I think that is it. Oh, nope, there's more. So in the middle pocket, there's a zipper. I hope you guys can see this. There's a zipper there. Yep. And in there, I have, there's a card. It's the card just telling you how to clean the bag. So I'll leave that in there as well. There's a Revlon lip butter in invite only. It's like a blue tinted lip butter. This is old, but I figured why not throw it in here and use it. And a hair tie. And that's it, guys. So I'm gonna show you the bag itself empty. It comes with a strap. So I have been wearing it with the strap because that's really the easiest way to wear the bag, to be perfectly honest. It does have the handles. I do not find myself wearing it this way, even though you can. But yeah, I've been more so using it with the handles. And then the interior, it's a beautiful interior. I want to make sure I get a really good shot for you guys because this is the money shot here. So, all right, so this is the inside of the bag. Here, let me get closer so you can see. So this is the inside of the bag. There's 2 compartments and a zipper compartment. This is extremely spacious. This bag is even great for travel. So if you're traveling, I do recommend this as a travel, I would say a weekend bag or an overnight bag. It carries a ton. There is a little Angela Roi detail here. Just want to make sure you can see that. It says Angela Roi in really small print. Let me get a little closer so you can see. So there's that. This is Angela Roi. And then there are feet on the bottom. So here's the feet. And there are 4 feet that are gold. I wore this bag once or twice, so there's no wear and tear on these feet just yet, but we will see what happens and how it holds up. We will do a wear test on this bag. So that completes my Angela Roi purchase. If you would like to purchase the bag, I will leave a link below. It is an affiliate code, so you and I will get a little bit of a benefit from that code, just so you know. So if you use the link below, there will be an offer for you to get a certain amount of money off for your first purchase with Angela Roi. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, if you would like to see more handbag videos like this one, comment below, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah, till next time. Oh guys, I'm also using a new camera today. Let me know what you think, and then I will reveal what camera I'm using. Till next time. Bye guys. I'm on the Angela Roi red. So I'm on the Angela Roi. I'm on the Angela Roi website. I'm on the Angela Roi website right now.